Hi students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions. My name is Narasimha Reddy, Mathematics Senior Faculty. Okay, today we discuss vectors topic up to cross product we discussed before classes. Okay, now cross product exercise number 10.4 problem number 3rd. If a unit vector a bar makes angles pi by 3 with I cap, pi by 4 with j cap, and an acute angle theta with k cap, then find theta and hence the components of a bar. So simple problem solution. So first, unit vector a bar means unit vector components a1, a2, a3. Next, a bar equal to a1 I cap, a2 j cap, a3 k cap. So this is the vector. A bar is unit vector. Unit vector. It means magnitude of A equal to 1. Okay. A is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. Next, A makes the angle pi by 3 with I cap. Angle makes A with I cap is cos theta. Means pi by 3 cos theta. This is theta value. Cos pi by 3 equal to a bar plus I cap. A bar dot I cap divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of I. So this is the formula. So cos pi by 3 means cos 60 value 1 by 2. It is equals to A vector means a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap into I cap. It means a1 divided by 1. So therefore a1 value is 1 by 2. Next, same way, angle makes a bar with j cap. So cos theta equal to theta. Theta means pi by 4. It is equals to a bar dot j cap divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of j. So this is formula. So cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2 equal to A means a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. So dot product, its value is a2 divided by 1 into 1. So therefore a2 equal to 1 by root 2. Next, same way, angle makes a bar with k cap. It means cos theta is acute angle equal to a bar dot k cap divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of K. So magnitude of A means unit vector, its value is 1. Magnitude of K cap, it is also unit vector, its value also 1. So cos theta equal to A3. Right. A is a unit vector. A is unit vector. Its magnitude is 1. So magnitude of A equal to 1. So 1 equal to square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. So the relation between A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square equals to 1. So here A1 value we know, A1 value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square plus A3 square equals to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus A3 square equals to 1. Okay, LCM of these both. So what you get? 4, 2 plus 1, 3 plus A3 square equals to 1. So A3 square equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 4. A3 equals to 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So A3 components. A3 component means A3 value is 1 by 2. So the component of A vector is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. Next, another condition. Theta value. So cos theta equal to A3. So A3 we know cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So cos which value is 1 by 2? Cos 60 value. Therefore theta equal to pi by 3. So this is angle makes K. Angle makes A vector with K vector. So this is the theta value. So A components are 1 by 2, comma 1 by root 2, comma 1 by 2. So this is the third problem solution. Next, I will continue second problem. Fourth problem. Fourth problem. Show that A bar minus B bar cross product A bar plus B bar equal to A bar plus B bar. So simple solution. A plus B into A minus B, like that, or A minus B into, it means cross product A bar plus A minus B into cross product B bar. So now we take LHS equals to cross A bar, A bar into A bar means A bar cross A bar minus B bar cross A bar plus A bar cross B bar minus B bar cross B bar. This one and this one. So A bar cross A bar value is 0. So in A cross B means determinant. So determinant two rows are equal, then with the determinant value is 0. So A bar cross A bar value is 0 minus, so B bar cross A bar as this plus A bar cross B bar as this. Its value also 0. Here, right. So A bar cross B bar. Here minus B bar cross A bar. So this one. So the cross product is not equal to the commutative law. It means A bar cross B bar equal to minus B bar cross A bar. This is commutative law. So that's why here A bar cross B bar plus A bar cross B bar. Next it is equals to 2 into A bar cross B bar. So this is solution of this one. So this is the fourth problem. Okay. Vectors cross product 10.4 exercise. Sixth problem. Given that A dot B equal to 0 and A cross B equal to 0 bar, that what can you conclude about the vectors A bar and B bar? So simple. The relation between dot product and cross product. The relation between dot product and cross product means A bar dot B bar and A bar cross B bar is A bar dot B bar whole square plus A bar cross B bar whole square equal to magnitude of A whole square magnitude of B whole square. This is the relation between dot product and cross product. So dot product value is here. So 0 square is 0 plus cross product value also here. So 0 square value 0. It is equals to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. So its value is 0. It means magnitude of A equal to 0 or magnitude of B equal to 0. This is the conclusion of the A vector and B vector. Okay. Vectors cross product exercise 10.4. Problem number 7th and 8th problems homework. Next 9th problem. Find the area of the triangle with vertices A, B, C. So, if you think this is a triangle, find the area of the triangle A, B, C. So, area of the triangle, just before classes we discussed area of the triangle delta equal to half modulus of AB bar cross BC bar, or same formula we use 3 types. So delta equal to half BC bar cross CA bar, or delta equal to 1 by 2 into CA bar cross AB bar. So these 3 types we can use. This calculate the area of the triangle. So simple, easy way. First you calculate AB vector, then BC vector, then cross product, then after calculate the magnitude. Then you multiply 1 by 2, then you get area of the triangle. So first of all, AB vector. AB vector, by using triangular law, you know that OB bar minus OA bar. So AB bar equal to, first of all, OB bar means 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap minus OA bar means I cap minus j cap, plus 2k cap. Right. OB bar minus OA bar. it means AB bar equal to 2I minus I means I cap. Next 3J minus J plus 2J cap, 5K cap minus 2K cap plus 3K cap. This is AB vector. The next BC vector. BC vector by using triangle law, you know that OC bar minus OB bar. So this is formula. BC bar equal to OC means I cap plus 5J cap plus 5K cap minus 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. BC bar equal to II means minus I cap plus 2J cap means 5J cap minus 3J cap 2J cap, 5K cap minus 5K cap, its value is 0, right? This is BC bar. So AB bar you know, BC bar you know. Here first you calculate cross product, afterwards magnitude. So here cross product AB bar cross BC bar. Cross product already you know method, simple, easy. Calculation of the determinant method. So use that determinant method I cap, J cap, K cap. So what is the components? 1, 2 and 3. Next here minus 1, 2, 0. So AB bar cross BC bar equal to I cap into 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6. So row column cancel, 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 6 minus J cap into, so these 4, 0 minus 2 minus plus 3 plus K cap into, so 2 plus 2. So here AB bar cross BC bar equal to minus 6 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 4 K cap. So this is AB cross BC vector. Then after we calculate magnitude of this vector. So AB bar cross BC bar magnitude is square root of minus 6 square, it is 36, minus 3 square 9, minus 4 square means 16. So AB bar cross BC bar magnitude is square root of 15, 21, 1, 2, so root 61. So this is magnitude of this. So area of the triangle, half modulus of AB cross BC. Its value is you know root 61. So root 61 divided by 2 square units. Area is always in square units. This is the problem number 9 and example problem number 24. These both are set. Okay. In vectors cross product, 10th problem, find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors A bar and B bar. So simple, easy way. So here just before class we calculated area of the triangle. What is the relation between area of the parallelogram and area of the triangle? So simple, just I will tell you, listen carefully. So first of all, this parallelogram means you know is this diagram like this. So it is a parallelogram. So A, B, C, D. Next, this is a parallelogram. Adjacent sides he given here. The first one is this A bar. Adjacent side is this one. AB is A bar, BC is B bar. So these both given here. The next area of the parallelogram delta equals to A bar cross B bar magnitude. A bar cross B bar magnitude means simple. Just before class we discussed area of the triangle. What is the formula? 1 by 2 A cross B means, so it is a parallelogram. So you divide two parts. So this is one triangle, this is another triangle. So the one triangle here, another triangle here. So parallelogram is area of the parallelogram divided by two parts. You get the area of the triangle. That is the conclusion. So area of the parallelogram is modulus of A cross B. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 modulus of A bar cross B bar. So why you have this question practice? It means, so up to 2020, this area of the parallelogram or area of the triangle guarantee compulsory question in annual examination. So that's why you carefully listen here. First you calculate A bar cross B bar. It means A bar cross B bar equals to magnitude of, it means determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. 1 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 7 plus 1. So A bar cross B bar equals to I cap into minus 1 plus 21 minus J cap into 1 minus 6 plus K cap into minus 7 plus 2. So AB cross A bar cross B bar equals to 20 I cap plus 5 J cap minus 5 K cap. So this is AB cross A cross B. So magnitude AB cross A bar cross B bar magnitude equals to square root of 400 plus 20 square is 400, 25 plus 25. Magnitude of AB bar equals to under root of 450 means 50 So area of the parallelogram delta equals to 15 root 2 square roots. This is very important problem. So area of the parallelogram is delta equal to magnitude of A cross B. Area of the triangle is delta equal to half magnitude of A cross B. Same method, both are. So simple, easy questions. In vectors 10.4 exercise 11th question. Let the vectors A bar and B bar be such that magnitude of A is 3 units and magnitude of B is root 2 by 3, then A cross B is a unit vector, means magnitude of A cross B value is 1. If the angle between A bar and B bar, so simple, easy method. You know what is the cross product? Solution. Cross product means A bar cross B bar. Solution. You know already. Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta into n cap. You know this. So this is cross product formula. So you take magnitude of this cross product. What you get? Magnitude of A cross B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B as it is, magnitude of sin theta. Its value is 1. Magnitude cap means unit vector, its magnitude is 1. So this here A cross B is unit vector. It means you know this one. A bar cross B bar, magnitude also 1 because of it is a unit vector. So here 1 it is equals to. So magnitude of A you know is this value is 3. Magnitude of B root 2 by 3 and sin theta. 2 cancel, sorry 3 cancel. 2 you take this side root 2. So 1 by root 2 equals to sin theta. Sin theta is this, sin 45 degrees equals to sin theta. Therefore theta equals to pi by 4. 45 is pi by 4. So option B your answer. So simple. Vectors cross product. Last problem. 10.4 exercise 12 one. Area of the rectangle having vectors A, B, C and D with position vectors, this one OA, if you think this is OB, this one is OC and this one is OD respectively. So simple. The product of the cross product of the adjacent sides is the area of the rectangle. So simple, you know what is that. So this is a rectangle.
बंद कर हाँ यहाँ करके करना
A, B, C, D. So first of all, adjacent sides here AB and BC, these both are adjacent sides. The cross product is AB cross BC. Then we get area of the triangle. So first of all, AB bar equals to OB bar minus OA bar. So AB bar equals to OB bar means you know is this. So this is OB bar. This is OA bar. This is OB bar. This is OC bar. This is OD bar. So OB bar means I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4 k cap minus OA bar means minus into minus plus I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap minus 4 k cap. So 1 by 2 get cancel, k cancel. So AB bar equals to 2 I cap. So this is AB bar. Then next BC bar. BC bar equals to OC bar minus OB bar. So BC bar equals to OC bar means I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap plus 4k cap minus I cap minus 1 by 2 j cap minus 4k cap. Positive negative cancel. Here plus I cap cancel. BC bar equals to minus j cap. This is so area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle delta equals to AB cross product BC magnitude. This is the formula. So first of all, you calculate AB cross BC. It is equals to I cap, J cap, and K cap. So 0, 2, and 0. So 2 I means 2, 0, 0, and next 0 minus 1 0. So AB bar cross BC bar equals to I cap into 0 minus J cap into 0 plus K cap into minus 2. So AB cross BC bar equals to minus 2 into. So its magnitude AB bar cross BC magnitude equals to root 4. It is equals to 2 equals 2 square units. So which option is that? Option C is that. So simple, easy method. Okay. Exercise number 10.4, cross product. All problems we did. Okay. Thank you.